Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. But before I begin with the video, I can offer you Shopify for only $1 your first month. So if you want that, click the link in the description. So first, open up your settings, and from there you want to scroll down. You see accessibility. Click on accessibility. So there are a few things we are going to take a look at, but the first is the touch one. And at the very bottom, you want to tap on Call Audio Routing. So you want to be on automatic, because if it's not on automatic, if it's like Bluetooth headset or speaker, you might be connected to there and you won't be able to hear the sound. So let me show another way to fix it. So let's go back, and we want to tap on hearing devices, and you want to make sure that hearing aid compatibility is turned off. I mean, of course, if you need it, make sure it's turned on, but if you don't need it, make sure it's turned off. Okay, so let's go back, and we will need to go to sounds and haptics, and then you want to go to headphone safety. So I will make sure that this is turned off, but if you want it to turn off, so at least have it like on 90 decibel, so it's as loud as a motorcycle, because if you make it lower, this is as much as the speaker will produce the sound, so you can put it at the highest or wherever you want. Now what you need to do is make sure that you see this line. So you need to make sure that that line is all the way to the right, so that it's more louder. And of course, the final thing is just to get your speakers cleaned, because there might be a lot of dirt on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want the Shopify offer, click the link in the description.